weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Allegheny and Beaver. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 7:45 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Leedsville or over Moon Township, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include McCandless Township, Moon Township, Franklin Park, Robinson Township, Kennedy Township, Ambridge, Coraopolis, Sewickley, Harmony Township, Emsworth, Leedsdale, Edgeworth, Bell Acres, Sewickley Heights, Sewickley Hills, Glen Osborne, South Heights, Glenfield, Hayesville, and Pittsburgh International Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 64 and 71. Parkway North between mile markers 10 and 12. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 48 and 51. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.